You guys good?
Yeah, we about to go in the house. Hell yeah, we good.
You got the liquor though. Alright. What's the big bulge in the front of his pants though?
You said what's the what?
There's a big bulge in front of his pants. What is it?
I don't know. You talking about his belt?
Why is he walking away? Oh, tell him to step on the sidewalk real quick.
Yeah, who just stepped on the sidewalk?
In the Rogers shirt.
He arguing with his girlfriend.
I know.
He might have had a little bit of too much to drink.
I know. I do. I just want to make sure everyone's safe.
Pull up here and she see the cops in.
I know. I know.
I think they had some
going on. Your boy's making me nervous though.
Who's making you nervous? How the fuck he making you nervous?
He's running. We got one dipping out in a Rogers green jersey. He's got a gun in the front of his waistband. Stop! Stop! He's going eastbound. He's going eastbound to the next street. He's got white pants, green jersey, number 12. Black. Oh shit! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired. He's still going eastbound. He shot at me. He's fucking running eastbound. I'm good. Eastbound. Green jersey. White pants. Eastbound.
Alright, just go. Green jersey, number
12. Radio, I took 4 shots at him as he was running, shooting at me.
Alright, what's your call sign?
Radio's Bravo 522. He ran into the brush. I believe I'm on Lemon. Let me catch my breath.
High and orange, high and orange. Clear. High and orange, need cars.
Oh, eastbound. He's shooting me. He's fucking running eastbound. I'm good.
Next one.
Eastbound. Green jersey. White pants.
Go that way, go that way.
Oh, right here, to the right.
High and orange.
He's right there.
Alright, just go. Green jersey, number 12.
I got him, Radio. Olivia, call it out. Next one down. Are you shot? Are you shot? I got him, Radio. Keep your hand
on the other side. Radio 522.
Don't move.
I'm covering Peachtree. Somebody go to the next couple streets. Somebody stay.
Olivia, call the address out.
Alright, get your car back to Jefferson.
Back.
Still continued east. Notify Charlie Network. Let's box this whole area in.
Bravo 530, I got one male in custody. He had white shorts on, he's in a tank top. He might have ditched the hoodie. I have him in custody.
Bravo 530.
Are you shot? Get up. Hello? Are you shot? Are you injured? I need you to answer me. He's not answering me. But he won't get up.
I have a light.
Hey, we're good here. Find that hoodie and the gun. He came right over this fence here, through this brush, the next one down. Get up. Get up. Let's go.
Actually,